Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day. Today I'm back to share some Happy Mail that I'm going to be sending out and a small haul from the local charity shop. So the first thing I'm going to share is the Happy Mail. I've just made a nice birthday card and an ATC. I wanted to use this die that the lovely Kim Kelly sent to me, but I wasn't sure how to use them because obviously it's just the heads of bunnies. Yeah, so this is kind of what I've come up with using that die. I've kind of made them into like little balloons. I've had some string, they're up in the clouds. I think they turned out really cute. Obviously you could draw the bodies on them, but I just thought they'd be quite nice as like little balloons. I have used some flat back pearls that the lovely Lisa Crafting Diva here on YouTube sent me, and I think this was from the lovely Christine, and that's Christine's Cards and Things. So I will leave all the links to these channels that I mentioned down below. So that's the ATC that I've made using that lovely die from Kim Kelly. Then had another die, I think, trying to think, Coca Rosa, I think this might have been from. Yeah, so I got this other bunny die and I've made a paper clip with that one, and then I've made a birthday card using the same die, but I did the bunny in white on this, and I think this frame as well might have been from Coca Rosa. And then again I've used the lovely flatback pearls from Lisa. And then the stars, I think, was a die from my stash. I'm not sure where that's from. This is like a celebrations packet of stickers. Picked up, I think, from the works, or it could have been the range. Yeah, so that's my card that I'm going to be sending out. So that's my little bit of Happy Mail, like birthday mail. I'm going to be sending out. This is just a scrap bit of paper. This paper in the background, the lovely Lisa sent me, I think, on like to back these flat back pearls, and I like to use all the little bits of scrap of card, so these worked out perfectly for little ATCs to use, like as backing paper. So then the next bit is a haul to share with you, and I picked some bits up from the local charity shop near me. So first of all, I found these stamps, and I thought they went quite well, like to do tags, so you could have this stamped on the front. It says Merry Christmas, and then obviously you could have that stamped on the back. And these were only 50p, which I thought was quite nice. Keeping on the Christmas theme, I did find this one. Again, lovely Christmas images and sentiments there, so that'd be great for like some Christmas cards. And again, this one was £1.25, and I don't think this has ever been used. The stamps don't look like they've been used, so that's awesome. Then found this one, and this just reminded me of Beauty and the Beast kind of themed, with like the candle holder thingy, and then the roses. I just got that kind of vibe from it, so I thought that'd be quite nice to make a Beauty and the Beast maybe birthday card, or maybe for Valentine's, because of the sentiments that come with it. And again, I don't think this one's ever been used either. Yeah, this one was £1.50, which I thought was an awesome price. So that's that one. And then the last few are some dies. I think the only thing that I don't have in what they're all saying is a base. I think that's what they all say. You need the base die. But I think that's just the bottom piece. So I'm hoping I can just kind of come up with the measurements for these and just make my own base. So that's the plan. But these are all tonic dies. This one was £7.50. It's got 16 dies in it, and it makes this. So I think the panels at the sides and all these elements like to layer. I think it's just the base. Requires a base die, that's what it says on each one. So I think you get all the other bits to make it, but just not the base. So that's that one. And then this one, again, this was $7.50. And it makes these different baskets. It comes with the tag, and like I said, all the layering pieces and all the decorative pieces on there. So yeah, I thought that was quite good. And this one, I think you get 26 dies in that one. So that's that one. And then these are two bigger sets. So you've got this one. I don't know what it's. I don't know if it says it on there that you need the base. Oh yeah, it does. It says requires base die set. So maybe the base that you can get will go for all of these. These are not even open. None of those. I have actually opened this one just to see what it's like. But yeah, so you can make those boxes with that. And then this one I did open because I just wanted to see what they were like. But I don't know if I mentioned that one I paid £8 for. And then this one, again, nice kind of different boxes. And then this is, they've never been used. Like I said, I did cut this one open. So it does come with all the side panels and everything. So I think it is just the bottom piece, because that's the side. And all the layering pieces, the handles, everything. So I think it is just literally the base bit. But I'm thinking I can just come up with the measurements and make that myself. This one you get 24 dies in now. Yeah, and it comes with all those pieces. So yeah, I thought it was really good. Definitely worth checking out your charity shops. Normally they don't have many bits in mine, but yeah, just I guess when at the right time. And this one, I don't know if I said, was £7.50, this one, which I thought was really good. And that's it, guys. That's all I have to share with you. I hope you're all having a lovely week. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you're up to, what crafties projects you're doing at the moment. I'd love to hear what you're creating. As always, guys, have an awesome week, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.